Right. This is from the last time, right, Austin?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Open the topology again.
Okay. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah. Just loading. Just give some time. Yeah. Just close that one. No? But it's not loading up.
It's loading. Just
Okay. So you have removed your antivirus program, right? Causing the issue last time.
no. I figure out how to comparable it.
Okay. Okay. So now allow you in the command line or not?
Yes. I could turn it on and everything.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay, so now let's this is from the last time that we draw the basic topology, right? Just for small network here.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so now let's review first. We want to start from where we want to start from, you know, like let me see. Let's start from the switch on the right hand side, the E switch 2 here. Yeah, open the console.
Right. Give us a second, loading.
Okay. All right. Okay. That might be the reason. You know, do you check that your CPU performance because you have a turn on all the.
Yeah, I'm turning off some stuff.
No, just check that. Yeah, just minimize here. Yeah, just check that your CPU. Right click on the taskbar.
When I was saying, is it 24, 23?
Oh, okay. No, go back. Yeah, I don't. I see it right now on the right hand side. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the new version that I have, you know, for the GNS 3. That's fine. Open the console again. A little bit slide to the left.
Okay.
Okay, so right now, see, you're in the switch 2 here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now see because from last time, see we have a 2 VLAN in here, so VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we performed that VLAN 10 maybe it's just like a workstation VLAN, and VLAN 20 maybe just say in here just basic demo. It just maybe say we put it like as a voice VLAN over IP. Okay. So first bring the command in here that you need to review here. So go ahead type because because this is the iOS image in here. So the command is not really work with the real switch, you know. So we have to using the like, for example, in here, just type show VLAN space show VLAN brief. Yeah. Yeah, put a question mark. Yeah. No. Normally, I just want to demo for you. Just go back again. Just type show VLAN. No dash. Just show VLAN space brief. Yeah. Just type brief. You see in here because this is the router. This is the router iOS for the switch module. So that's why it's not working in here. So instead using that one. So we use show switch VLAN, I believe. Go ahead, show switch. Yeah, show switch. I think that no dash.
Oh, why does that?
No, dash VLAN. Hit enter. Maybe show VLAN switch reverse. I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot again. Hit enter. Yeah. Okay. So just to remember in here. So in the real Cisco suite, the command it should be show VLAN brief. Okay. But in here that our demo in here because we're using the iOS router is the switch module. So that is a little bit different. In here we're using the VLAN show VLAN dash switch. Okay. Just to remember. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now in here, see the last time last time we have a VLAN 10, so we have a VLAN 20. Remember, see that? Okay, so do you know
Yeah.
how to create that VLAN again, 10 and VLAN 20?
Could you have to go to
Just
configure?
yeah, just go
Oh,
ahead. Just go ahead. If just for practice back in here for refresh.
okay.
I want you to create a VLAN 30. Just go ahead, config T, and
And
then what?
what was it?
It's the
Oh,
V. It's the VLAN
VLAN 30.
space. Yes, and then hit enter. And
Yeah.
then you want to name it in here.
So what's the
Just a
name?
namespace. Just say this is for wireless VLAN. Just put
Okay.
wireless.
Oh.
Yeah, and then just hit enter. Okay, now you exit out again in here. Okay, exit out again. So now repeat the command show VLAN switch, hit enter. So now you see you have a 30, okay?
Yes.
So that is how you create the VLAN in the Cisco switch. So that is the database, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is just the refresh from the last that I show you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now quit in here. So now show IP interface brief
Was that IP?
interface interface. Yeah, show IP interface brief. Did it hit enter? Okay. So this is keep going. Keep going. See in here, last time, see we already configured the VLAN 10. That is mean the VLAN 10 172.16.10.0, right? So that is wrong, okay? Because that we're not using the zero network. We should be using something like that might be do we let's go back to your diagram again. See the diagram. Can you make it
Oh.
no, go back to the window. Go back, no, don't close it. Don't close it.
Oh no, Dan. I
Yeah.
just minimize it.
No, don't minimize. Just make a smaller little bit. Yeah, and then from right to left, just make it make it make
Can I
it
try something
what?
like this?
Yeah, it's work. Okay, yep. As long you see the topology.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Yep. Okay, just leave it like this. Okay. So now, since we want to either way in here, okay, it depends what kind of switch model in the Cisco switch. Sometimes for the small like a 2960 model, they not support like a layer 3 switch. They only layer 2 unless you have a 37 up like 3750 or 3800, make we can make it as a layer 3 switch. Okay, so in here
Okay.
we perform this one is like a non layer 3 switch. So this is layer 2. So that VLAN 10 is just for management VLAN. So let's do this one in here. Just click config T in here.
Again?
Config T.
You want me to go back?
Yeah, go back to the, no go yeah, go config T.
Give me a second.
Yeah. So you have to keep practice, no? Otherwise you forgot the command.
Yep.
Okay. Go to
Okay.
type interface VLAN 10. No, miss one interface. VLAN 10. Yep. Hit enter. Okay, so now in here, since from the from the up, you see the output, because that is the wrong IP address. So we try to remove the IP address in here first. So we put in here put no IP address. Just type the command no
Oh,
IP,
IP.
no IP
Oh.
space
Mm-hmm.
address. Yeah, hit enter. That is mean we remove the IP address from the interface VLAN 10. Okay.
Okay.
So now go ahead type IP address and space. Now look at the diagram. So we have 172.16.10. So we make this one is the 2. Okay. So go ahead.
So
10. I'm sorry. So 172.
Mm-hmm.
16.10. So we make it .2
Okay.
in space. So we make it 255, 255, 255.0 is a /24.
Mm-hmm.
And I hit enter. Okay. So exit here, go back to config key, and then we want to remove the interface VLAN 20. Go to interface VLAN 20. Okay. So in here, so make it no IP address.
Okay.
Hit enter, and then exit out. Okay. So now, one more thing in here, because we want to make a layer 2, because since this is a router, no. So go ahead, type no IP routing, no IP routing. Hit enter.
Okay.
So now we make it this switch as a layer 2. Okay.
Okay.
Since since this is layer 2, so we need to have the gateway, because we need to go to router above, the upstream router. So in here you have to go ahead to IP by default gateway space default. You can put a question mark default. You see default gateway.
Yeah.
Go ahead, type it. It's just like a computer. You have to put the gateway IP address
Mm-hmm.
space. So now we're going to put like 172.16.10.1.
So 610.
No, I'm sorry, 172.
Oh, 172. 16.10.
16.10.1.
One. Okay.
Okay, space. So
Oh,
255.255.0. And I'm sorry, for the gateway, you don't need the subnet mask, just enough. Just the iPhone, yeah, just like that, and hit enter.
okay.
Yeah, sometimes while I'm talking, my mind cannot concentrate. Okay, so now we have to fix that the diagram first. Go back to the diagram, and then because the IP address is not correctly on the top there, the 1.2, so we make it 172.16.10.2. Double click on that one. Yeah, make it 10, so don't confuse it.
Yeah.
Make it 10.
Okay.
Just type. Yeah, and then same thing on the router. Go back to the router. On the top, that is PC on the top. Yeah, that's make it 10.1, the third attack.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. See, we have to match. Okay, the topology. Okay, so now, see, we have go back to the switch right now here.
Okay.
In the command line.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now, what is the interface, that port interface from the switch to the router? See the 1/1.
1/.
Yeah. What
Oh,
is
yes,
the
yes. Fast
now?
is
No.
the.
Okay. This is good. This is a good command that you need to learn also. But this is good here for demo. Just go back to the switch. Go back to the console
Mhm.
and exit out from here. Okay. Now you type cd
What's this?
cdp.
CD.
No, no. You type show cdp.
Oh,
P for Peter, I think.
say again.
Sh- Show cdp. Do you,
CDB.
no, P for Peter.
Oh, P.
Yeah. Show cdp. Okay. Just hit
Okay.
enter. Just hit enter. Okay. Now they don't have in here. How about one more? Just put show cdp neighbor. Yeah, neighbor.
Neighbor.
Hit enter. Okay. So remember this command, show cdp neighbor. Okay.
Right.
What, because Cisco switch and router, they have a command. It's called show cdp neighbor. Is auto discovery. That is the protocol. So you can use this command to find out what is the uplink or downlink, for another Cisco device. Okay.
Okay.
So now from this table, you see that the local interface is 1/1. That is mean F11/11
Yeah.
is connected to, you see, the port 1/0 on the router. Okay.
Yes.
So the local interface should be F1/1. Okay. So now you show IP interface brief again. Show IP interface brief. BRIEF.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit enter. Okay, see what is the difference here? F1/1 is show you up and up, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that is mean, you see, when you go back to topology, that is mean the R2, the router, the F1/0 is direct connected to the switch 1 F1/1 port. Right now, the cable is up. Okay, it's connected.
Yes.
Okay, so now quit in here first. Quit. Now, one more command that I want you to show you is show space interface, and then space, and then you type F1. No, just type one. No, I'm sorry. Just type 1/1 and space, and you type a switch port, one word. Put a question mark if you're not sure. Yeah. Hit enter.
Oh, okay.
That might be without space. Show interface. Yeah. Just. Yep. Yep. Okay.
But I need the F.
What's that?
I need the F.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. You see, now look at that. Right now in here is the static access, right? The mode. You see the mode?
Yeah.
Remember I explained to you for switch port in Cisco, right? Okay, the switch port, they have a two option. So either static access or either trunk port. Okay. Remember the trunk port? I explained to you the trunk port. They can carry multiple VLAN across the trunk port. I mean, across the pipe. Remember?
Yes.
It's just like the remember like the highway, the tunnel. We can
Mm-hmm.
so we can like classify with like a truck or small car. So that is like the VLAN ID, right?
Yes.
Remember that? Yeah.
Yes.
So right now this port in here, the status is show you in the static access, right? So that is in the access port. So what happened in this access port is now if you type one more command in here, show VLAN dash switch
So
VLAN
the VLAN.
no space.
Oh,
Remember dash
dash.
switch. Yeah, in the real switch command is show VLAN brief. So in here we show VLAN switch. So hit enter now. Now find it right now. Where is the FA1/1?
User IP. User PC.
Right. So last time that is just for the demo for the static access because we use the static access. That is a demo for you. So we assign the static access VLAN 10. Okay.
Okay.
So now because right now here we need to remove it now because we want to make it as a trunk port. Otherwise, if this one port, see, go back to the topology. You can see from
Mm-hmm.
the topology, if this lane right now is a VLAN 10, that is mean it's only VLAN 10 traffic between the router and the switch. How about the VLAN 20?
Yeah.
So that is mean it won't working, okay?
Okay.
So that is mean in here because we want to carry VLAN 20 traffic also to the router, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now in here say okay, sorry. So we want to make the FA1/1. We want to make as like as a trunk port instead like access port, right?
Yeah.
Okay, put the quit in here first.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now show run space interface F1/1. Then hit enter. Okay, so what you find out here?
Switch port. Duplicate full speed 100. Switch port access VLAN 10.
Correct. So we need to remove that switch port access VLAN 10, right?
Yeah.
So how we remove it? Same thing. We go to that interface F1/1, and we have to put using no command. Say no switch port access VLAN 10.
The VLAN 10.
No
So,
VLAN 10. Oh wait. See, don't too quick here.
sorry.
Okay, because can you imagine you're in the production switch?
Oh, yeah.
Exit out here. See, you're very dangerous here. You have to be careful. Slow down.
Sorry. So
You have to
interface.
exactly. Yeah. Okay. You have to be careful now. If you're in the production, you have to make sure you have before you hit enter. You have to repeat. Your eyes have to be repeat. To look at what command you type.
Okay.
Okay. Hit enter. Okay. So now we have to no switch space. Yeah. Just copy from the top if you don't want to type. Just copy, highlight the switch port access VLAN 10. Just copy, highlight it, and then copy and paste. Right click.
Okay. So no switch.
Yeah, exactly. You type. You see, no switch port access VLAN 10. Exactly. Repeat.
Oh.
Hit enter. Okay. So that is mean now you remove it. See, now you remove it again. Now, just that is mean I remove. So F1/1 is not in the member VLAN 10
Yeah.
group anymore. Okay.
Okay.
So now you're still inside the F1/1 here. So now you want to change it to as a trunk port now. So what command you have to type here? Just type switch port. Remember, switch port, space. Now put the mode, MODE. Yeah, space first. Make a question mark first here. See?
Trunk.
Exactly. Go ahead, switch port trunk. Okay. Now, sometime you have to remember in the Cisco switch, right? They have an encapsulation, you know, okay. Hold on. my headphone is full. No? Let me put some.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, here, type switch port again. Space.
Okay.
Now put the EN, just EN here,
EN.
and then put the question mark. No. Okay. Go back. Switch port. Put the question mark. Let me see. Oh, switch port trunk. Put the trunk. Switch port trunk. Space. And put the question mark. You see here. You have to remember here. You see the second one. And encapsulation. Okay. See what that means is, you see, go ahead, type encapsulation, and then put the question mark again. After this, space, put the space, put the question mark. You see, DOT1Q. Okay, that is mean the standard. So this trunk port, if you're using this DOT1Q, that is mean the standard. Because sometimes the router, see, we'll go back to topology. Sometimes the router, that router could be like Juniper or could be not Cisco router. Okay. Because if you not use this, if you not specify this command, and then sometime, you know, like a Cisco, they have their own mode. It's called ISL. Okay.
Okay.
So I explain to you later. So right now in here, you want to make a DOT1Q here. Go ahead, type it.
So be the 1Q.
Yep. Hit enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now exit out here. Exit out again. Now you show run again interface F1/1. No, show run.
Oh.
Okay, show run. Hit enter. Okay, see, right now you're in the switch port mode trunk, okay?
Yes.
Now repeat again, show interface F1/1, and then you put the switch port. You see? Now remember, it was in the static access, right?
Yes.
But now we change it to switch mode trunk. So right now this interface uplink to the router is a trunk port. And also the trunk, you see the encapsulation is a DOT1Q. That is a standard. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and then because they have a difference between about these two modes, so you can Google it. So I can explain to you later. So right now you just have to be remember because you're the beginner right now. Okay, so you don't want to know much about the concept first. Just I want you to be familiar with the command first in here. Okay, not the concepts first. Okay. So now see, now you're in the trunk port, right? Okay. So now here, now you just verify, you show.
Okay.
Put the show interface space and put the trunk. Okay. And hit enter. Okay, so now look at that. So now you have a trunk port now, you see?
Yeah.
Okay, it's telling you. So when you use this command show interface trunk, it's telling you on this switch here how many trunk port that you have on the switch. Okay, because you could be have a multiple layer router, you know. Okay.
Okay.
And also you see the VLAN allow on the trunk port, that is the layer ACL. It's mean more restriction down the road, so I can demo more for you. In here, the sheet is allowed from 1 to 4094. So it's
Okay.
mean like we have no ACL or no policy. We just for this cable here between the router 2 to the switch with this trunk port, we allow all the port. Okay.
Okay.
So just to remember that is like see the VLAN allow on trunk port. Okay, so it's mean it's allow all the trunk port. Okay, and then see the third line there. See because on the VLAN database, because you have the default VLAN 1, and then you
Mhm.
have a 10, 20, and 30. See, it's automatic. You know. See.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So remember here. Okay. So now, all right, go back to the router 2 console keyboard now.
The diagram or the
Hmm?
what you talking about?
The router 2,
Yeah.
not the bottom one, the top one.
Okay.
Yeah. Open the console, that one. Okay. So now,
Okay.
yeah. So now in the router 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And here, show IP interface brief first. Then
Okay.
hit enter. See now, that is same thing from last time that we demo, right?
Yeah.
Now we have to remove it again. So go back config T. Yeah, that is not the correct IP.
Okay.
Okay, we want to go to the interface F1/0 interface
F1/0.
space. No, just hit enter. Yep, and then remove the IP address. No IP address. Hit OK, and then hit enter. Exit out. Exit out again. Okay, I want you repeat again. Show IP interface brief. Hit enter. So now see the IP address got removed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now remember, see now in this is only one physical interface, right? Because physical interface, because we only allow primary or secondary, we only allow like one IP or two IP address, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes you on the switch, when you go back to the topology, you have VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and then could be you have a VLAN 30. So the best way from the physical interface, we want to break it down to become a like logical, so become a like a sub interface. On in the Cisco turn, this method we call is a router and stick. You know the router and stick like when we play yo-yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, it have to be the traffic between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. We have to go back to the router. From the router, have to then come back to the switch again. It's just like that's why we call router and stick. It's like a yo-yo, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in here, just go back to config T,
Okay.
and then just type interface now. F1/0 and stop in here. No. Don't exit out again.
Oh, okay. So you just want me to type it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put a dot like
Space dot or no dot?
dot. Yeah. See that is mean you want to make a set interface. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you see now normally the logical is we try to if we can do it depends like how big the range. In here, see, because we want to first set interface, we want to make a width and 10. When you go back on the right hand side, when you see the topology, the width and 10. So in here, we use the 10.
Okay, so
Just
10.
type 10, hit enter.
Okay.
So that makes sense for you. So now we create the set interface from F1/0, and then we put dark 10. That is mean equal VLAN 10. Okay.
Okay.
Now you type EN again, ENC, and put a question mark in here.
ENC.
Put a question mark. Yeah. See, I
Oh.
want, yeah, type that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you also want me to what?
Yeah. Just practice. You can type it all, because sometimes in the exam you have to know, not always rely on the shortcut. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Space. Now you put a question mark here. You see, that's why I try to explain to you the ISL. See?
Then yeah.
Yeah, ISL is for Cisco. Okay, DOT1Q is for standard, like standard industrial switch or router. Okay, so now because we already tell the switch that the trunk port we're using a DOT1Q. In here, same thing. We want to use the DOT1Q, right?
Okay.
Go ahead. And then you put the space again after that, and then put the question mark.
Okay.
Put a question mark. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you see, because we're using the 10, because that is a, see, 1-094, that is mean the VLAN ID. Okay, so now in here, we want to, because this interface is for VLAN 10, so we make a 10 in here. Hit enter. Okay, so now we put IP address now. IP address, space. And then what is the IP address for this one? You have to see on the diagram. So it should be 172.16.10.1 space
255.255.0.
Yes, hit enter. Now exit out. Okay, so now you want to do the VLAN 20. So same thing, you have to repeat interface F1/0, and then you put the dark 20.
Interface.
No. Go back again. Remember?
Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. Dot
20.
20.
Because that 20 is equal to VLAN 20. Just give you like just try to match. So when you see this dark 20, so that means you know this interface, set interface for VLAN 20. Okay.
Okay.
Now hit enter. Okay, so now same thing again. You want to tell this interface is belong what? So go ahead.
Okay.
And encapsulate. Yeah, ENC encapsulate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can put this question mark if you forgot how to spell it. Yeah, put a question mark again. .1Q space, and then that is 20. Beautiful. Hit enter. Now you put IP address.
.170.
Dark 16. Dark what? 20.
20.
Dark 1.
1.
Correct. And then the SMS. Hit enter. And exit out. Exit out again.
Question.
Yes.
How bad is the delay?
What do you mean the delay?
Now me type in, you get information.
Yeah, sometimes it depends. The console should be quick, you know.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yeah, because sometimes here, because you run all the router, because this is virtual, it's not like a real production. In the real production should be fast. It should be no delay.
No, I'm talking about me writing to you seeing it.
Hmm?
I'm talking about me writing the command, you seeing the command.
You mean I see the command?
Yes.
No, oh no, it's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's no delay. So I mean, still okay for the internet. I believe.
Okay. Just want
Okay.
to make sure.
Yeah. Now in here, repeat again. Now you show run
Okay.
space. Just show run. Just hit enter, and then go down to the interface F1/0. Keep going. Oh, stop there.
F1. Yeah.
That's okay. See. Okay, so the 1/0 that is a physical interface. So normally, if you're using this router and stick in this method, the 1/0, the physical interface, it should be no IP address. Okay,
Okay.
so now you see that inside duct 10, duct 20, so that is for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 interface.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is mean this router now can handle these two interface, talk to the switch, the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so now quit in here, show IP interface brief again.
All right.
Okay. And, yep. Now look at that. See now what is the difference now? You see, then you have duct 20, the sub interface is under the physical interface 1/0. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you understand in the production in the future when you show this command, when you see this interface, you know the downstream suite is not layer 3 suite, it's layer 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go ahead from the switch in here right now. You ping the switch, the VLAN 10 IP and the VLAN 20 IP.
And 172.6.
216.10. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
You
to
want to ping.
10.1.
No, should be 2 because you have 1 in here because the
Okay, too.
neighbor. Yeah, hit enter.
Yeah. Yeah,
Beautiful.
but we can be perfect.
Yep. And then go ahead ping the 20 now. The VLAN 20 IP address on the switch. Yeah, the first one is always like that. Uh-oh.
Nope.
See,
Maybe we
see what
can.
see
Mhm.
what see what happened in here. Okay, so
Mhm.
we have go back to the switch 2.
Okay.
Okay, and show first we have to verify first. Show IP interface brief. Keep going.
Okay.
Okay, keep going. See, we don't assign the IP address yet. That's the reason, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so go back to VLAN 20.
I mean, so in the switch.
Yes.
VLAN 20.
No, not VLAN 20. VLAN 20 is to create a database. Should be
Oh
interface
yeah. Base.
VLAN 20. Hit enter. Okay. Put the IP address.
IP
So
IP address
172.16.20.2 space.
and the subnet mask.
Yep. Correct.
Okay.
Yep. Now exit out again. Just make sure before you exit out. Sometimes you just verify. Just you can put like no shutdown.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine right now in here. Just exit out in here. So in the best practice, just put no shutdown. Okay.
Okay.
Exit out again, and then repeat again. Show IP interface brief.
Okay.
Okay. See, you have to remember in here because this is the layer this is layer 2, right? If the switch is if the uplink port is not trunk port, so the VLAN 10, VLAN 20, either one have to be go down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is the you have to remember that's the unless you have the like physical workstation connected to VLAN 20. Okay. So right now, see from the network diagram, see we don't have the VLAN 20 workstation. Okay,
Yeah.
so normally you have to remember for the trunk port to make on the switch to make all the VLAN up, the trunk port have to be up. Okay, so the trunk port because it's carry multiple VLAN, so it's help you to bring up this VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 together. Got it?
Got it.
Oh yeah, yeah. You will see more down the road when you're ready in the network field. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, now go back to the router now. So reping again. Now it's allow you to able repeat the command again. Ping. Hit enter.
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay. All right. So now, okay. So now you have the connection now between the switch to the router, and we're ready for the gateway also. Now right now go back to the PC1 on the right hand side. Open the console.
With PC1.
Yeah. Before you click the console, modify the IP address again. Let's put the 10. The third RTAC is not 1. We modify. Okay. All right. So are you on this router console? Oh yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now we pretend this is a PC in here. We're using the router, so we want to make sure it's no routing layer 3 routing in here. So we need to turn it off. So the first thing we want to do, just go to config T. We have the no IP routing. So we have disable it, the layer 3 routing feature.
Okay.
No space IP routing. No routing. No.
Yeah, it's this.
ROUT. Put the question mark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit enter. So we turn off. So we turn off this router now to act as a layer 2 as a PC. No layer 3 routing. Okay. Okay. So now see from the router, from this PC1, we're using the F1/1 is connected to F1/15, right? So go ahead, configure the IP address now on this router. So interface F1/0. I'm sorry. Not
F0
No, 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 no. I read the wrong one. It should be F0/0.
Yes.
Yeah, hit enter. Okay. So now we have to put IP address. So we make 172.16.10.100. Now we hit enter. Oh, no, not enter.
No
Huh?
math.
Yeah, no. We have to put mask.
Oh,
Yes. The same thing like a PC. We have to put a subnet mask.
okay.
Hit enter. Now we same thing in here. We want to make it like a full duplex. Like speed 100. Just type speed 100 space 100. Make a duplex full.
Oh,
Hit enter. And no shutdown. Okay. Now exit out. Okay. Remember when we assign the computer PC, after you have put the IP address, you put the subnet mask. So we need to put the gateway, right?
yes.
So we need to put IP space default gateway. Make sure the default between default and gateway have a dash.
Okay.
So what now space? Okay, so now we have to think about now. Go back to topology. Now, which one we should use now for the gateway IP? Because the gateway IP is helping you to resolve the different network, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean outside this dark 10, because this dark 10 you're using /24, so the maximum is only 10 dark to 254, right?
Yeah.
So now if you want to go to the VLAN 20, you need to ask the gateway, the layer 3. So the layer 3 now in here, you want to use the switch or you want the router? Because we turn this switch as a layer 2, so it's not support inter-routing inside. So now the gateway, we should use the router. So the router IP, what is that IP for that sub interface, the VLAN 10? Remember?
72.16.10.0.
No, no. Go back to the router
Oh,
again. If you forgot, go back to router 2 on the console.
oh,
Right.
yes.
It should be, see, that should be 172.16.10.1, right?
.1.
Yeah, so that is the
Mm.
gateway.
Oh, oh, okay.
Okay, so go back to the switch, go back to PC again, right? So you're 172.16,
Dot
10,
10.1.
yep, hit enter. Yep, and then exit out again. Okay, so just make a quick test in here. Go ahead, try to ping the gateway from the PC.
172.16.1.
Okay, see what happened. Why is timeout? So now we do a little troubleshooting in here. We teach you why it's not working, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now, so normally, of course, we have to make sure the IP address configured correctly in this PC. So what you have to do, just show IP interface brief, just to verify that you enter the IP address if correctly. Okay.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, take your time. No rush. Okay. Because you and me in here, no pressure.
Yeah.
That's why you're learning here. So don't give you like a relax. Don't give you like
Mhm.
okay. And also now
Okay.
it's a BRIEF.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct. Hit enter. Okay, so in here, first thing see in here, see you act right now is a junior network, right? So that's why in here you verify, okay, I have the IP address correctly. Just make sure 172.16.10.100, and also you see it's up, so there is no problem right now on my PC here.
Yes.
And also you already put the correct gateway on the top when you go up a little bit again, see, because that is correctly show default gateway pointed to the router, right?
Yes.
So why I'm not able to ping the router from the PC? So now that if you think the PC is correct in here, so the next question you're going to ask the switch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so go back to the switch now. Okay, first thing in here, see the F1/15, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and also sometimes if you don't have the, for example, if you don't have the topology in here in front of you, so sometimes you also work remotely, you're not in front of the switch, you cannot trace the cable, physically trace the cable where it's connected to the switch. So what you have to do in here, same thing, we do some using the show CDB neighbor.
Okay.
Yeah, you
So
have to
oh
show space. Yeah, correct. Show CDB neighbor. So this command is very helpful when you work in remotely. Okay. Otherwise, you have to ask the field tech on site to trace the cable for you to find
yeah.
out where is the PC connected to in the switch port interface. Hit enter. Okay, so now in here, see, it's telling you the local interface in here is F1/15 that is connected to the PC, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you know that's 1/15. So now show IP interface brief again because you want to find out the status, you know, is up or down. So this is the second troubleshooting you have to do like this. No,
Yeah.
yeah, hit enter again. Keep going. Okay, now see, it's up and up, right?
Yes.
Why I cannot ping? So first, you know that switch port 1/15 connected to the PC. You right now on the switch is telling you the port is up and up, right?
Yes.
What what next for your troubleshooting now? What next could be the issue, could be the problem?
Check the R2.
No, because why you check the R2? Because you have to make sure this, make sure what else need to,
Oh.
what else that you need to confirm before we ask R2. Because sometimes R2 say, hey, don't ask me first. You have to
Oh
check
yeah.
on, you have to check on the switch first before come to me.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember in remember in the switch here,
So
what I give you a hint, because remember the switch port, the only two options for the switch port mode is what? Remember, access or trunk
as
port?
trunking because we trunk it.
No. The trunk is the port facing the to the router, right? Because right now
Oh.
your port is connected to the PC, right?
Yeah.
So now you ask your question first when you see the topology, the F1/15. So now you ask your question yourself, what port that you want to configure on this one? Access port or trunk port?
Trunk pole.
Why is trunk port? Because don't don't forget right
Uh.
now, but don't get confused from the icon. Okay, this PC is not a router, it's a PC.
Yes.
Okay, because we just use the router as a PC, right?
Yes.
Now you ask yourself again, this F1/15, it should be access port or trunk port. Then you
No,
have to
it's okay.
then you have to come back, because see, my destination, for example, if you have to speak to yourself, you have to be act like you're the switch right now. So say for example, I'm the switch. I talk to myself. So I have a lag, F1/15 is connected to only PC1, right? No else, right? Only
Yes.
PC1, right? And then from the PC1, it's telling me that the IP address. So you maybe you call back to the desktop again. Hey, what is the PC that IP address? And then the desktop report back to you, say, oh, Austin, the IP address for that PC is 172.16.10.100. And then, oh, okay. Then you say it's because you heard from the desktop, report back to you. You say because it's a 10.100. So you automatically you came up to your mind is, oh, that is a VLAN 10. Agree?
Yeah.
So okay. So now, so what you need to check that port is a trunk port or access port. Remember, I showed you earlier how to check that mode. Okay. So
So
interface.
uh, it's a trunking.
No, no,
When
no, no, not yet, not yet. Quit that one first. You're too fast. You jump too fast because you
yeah.
show interface, because here is so many interface in here, because you want to find the interface first, right? So
Yes.
what interface is FA 1/15?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
space, and then you put the
it's
question mark in here. So now you're
trunking.
looking. No, you now you look not trunk, but you have to using the switch port information. So you have to put follow with the switch port.
Oh, why?
Okay, now hit enter. Okay, so remember this command. Okay, same thing. You talk to yourself. You're inside the switch right now. You're the switch. You're inside the switch. You talk to yourself. Okay, now this command, I have to check my port. It is either access port or either trunk port. So now in here, the output, what this tell you? What mode?
Essence.
Access. Beautiful. But go down, go down more. What VLAN on this access?
20.
Hmm? No,
20?
no, 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 no. So you don't know yet, right?
Oh,
You see the access mode VLAN?
yeah.
Yeah, that is a 20, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now if you want to verify again, so go to show VLAN brief. No, in here, show VLAN dash switch.
VLAN.
No, one more dash. No, one word.
Oh,
Switch. Okay, hit enter. Just to verify,
yeah.
just verify from the VLAN database in here. So
Mm-hmm.
make sure is that is a VLAN,
Yeah.
right?
115.
Quit in here first. Now you tell me now. It show you now in front of you. You still can you see what is the problem? What is the problem? Go back to the PC. What is the IP address of the PC?
Oh, we changed. Wait.
The PC. What is the IP address for the PC? Just read
Is
it out. Just read it out.
172.16.10.100.
Correct. So what is the DAC 10? What VLAN DAC 10?
Oh, we don't have anything for VLAN.
No, no.
Oh,
Show interface here. Just go ahead, type show interface brief again. Show interface brief again.
one is there. We never BOIEF.
Hit enter.
Okay.
Show, oh wait, you forgot one. Show IP. Show IP interface brief.
Oh.
Relax, relax. Don't give your
Mhm.
pressure. Show IP. You don't have to rush. Just type slowly. Yeah, hit enter. Hit enter again. Okay, go ahead to find out now. No, hit enter again. Just finish it. See now. Now you have to tell yourself now. Okay, I have VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So
Yeah.
my VLAN 10 on this switch IP address is 176.10.2, right?
Yes.
So when we see the PC is belong in the same third architect in the same segment. So that PC should be what group? VLAN 10 or VLAN 20?
Beyond 10.
Correct, in the VLAN 10, right? So now you go you type that command again, show VLAN dash switch, hit enter. Okay, so now in here, repeat again, look at the table, show
Oh, because
so
we in the VLAN 20, not 10.
exactly. So now you see what is the problem now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now now show run interface F1/15, hit enter. Aha, in here, see, that is a wrong VLAN. That's the reason. Because you have
Okay.
a miss VLAN configuration on the switch for that port, for the
Mm-hmm.
PC connected port, right?
Yeah.
So how we fix it?
Config
Config T,
T.
yeah. Configuration T, or just config T. Just config, just put the shortcut config T, yep. Interface F1/15, hit enter. Okay, so now in here, so now you need to remove it now.
Okay, so
Yeah,
be
just
no
switch
switch
port.
port
Yeah, it's
SS
VLAN
VLAN
20.
20
Yep, hit enter. Now you have to repeat again, switch
SS VLAN
VLAN 10.
10.
Beautiful.
Oops. Okay.
Uh-oh, what you missing?
No, it's my I spelled it wrong.
Huh?
I spelled it wrong.
Oh, okay, SWITCH, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, type again, word by word, just SWITCH, and then put the, hello?
Hello, yeah.
Go ahead, type,
Yeah, I did.
go ahead, just type switch, type switch port, no, just put the question mark, okay? Type it out, switch port, put the question mark space, put the question mark again. So if you're confused, what mistake here? So access space VLAN space and 10.
Okay.
Hit enter. See, that's how it's work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're confused or typo issue in here, just do one by one. Just follow with the question mark. Just follow the command. Okay.
Okay.
So now exit out here. Okay, exit out again here. Now go back just to verify, just make sure your configure is correct in the VLAN 10 now. So what is the command again? Show VLAN dash switch.
Was a VLAN switch.
Yep, hit enter. Okay,
Yep, we
so
changed.
we're good, right?
Yes.
Good. So now go back to the PC again. So now repeat. Now we ping the router gateway now. See, how about this time? Is able you to ping or not? Beautiful. See? Okay, so that is the how you configure and how you little bit troubleshooting. Okay. So now this is from here to here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let me see here. We still have time in here. You still want to continue, or you want to stop in here to repeat again the command?
Let's continue.
Okay, hold on. Okay. First in here, let me see. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, so we continue now. We just do one more router, the router 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go to the router 1 now.
Okay.
Okay. First thing in here, we verify is any IP address configured on this router 1. Just repeat again the command, show IP interface brief. Okay, so we have, this is what? This is from our last demo or not? Just verify the F2/0. F2/0 is correct. Yeah. Okay, so now can you ping from here, ping 192.168.255.2, the router 2 interface.
Again, 192.
Yeah, see, look at the topology, look at the diagram. What is the R2 F2/0 IP address?
Oh, sorry. LF2 192.6.255.1.
You typed the wrong. Go
Oh,
back.
okay.
Yeah.
168.255. Are you okay?
No, 1 or 2.
So,
Because you want to ping the router 2.
oh, yeah.
What is the router 2 IP address?
Oh,
On the bottom.
255.2.
Yeah. See, because from the diagram, it's telling you on the diagram.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right? Okay,
Yes.
so now can you ping the 172.16.10.1? That is the VLAN. That is a VLAN 10 IP address on the router 2.
The 172.
No, the router 2.
Oh, sorry.
Remember the router 2? We already make a 2 interface. One is a
Yes.
VLAN. We have to we did configure like a VLAN 10 and VLAN 2 set interface.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we ping from router 1?
No.
Okay, so why you're not able to connect? Okay, so
Can we
now
change? Okay.
no. So now in here, okay, because you're on the router 1 right now, because your router 1, remember, now you have to learn about routing in here, okay? Because because that's what we call router, is a routing, right?
Yes.
Because remember, the router 1 say when you try to ping that 172.16.10.1, that IP address is not reside on router 1, right? That is not my IP address. So that's why I want to make sure the router 1, do I have this network information? So first thing you want to check is show IP route.
So IP what?
Route, ROUTE route.
This.
Oh, you type wrong. Show
Yeah.
IP route. Hit enter. Okay, look at that. So this is the default on the router, on the Cisco router. Show IP route, that is the default. See, right now you only see C. That what that means is you just only have a direct connect. So you don't have
Yes.
any routing at all, right? You
Mhm.
see the code. You see C is a connected, S is
Yes.
static, RIP, and then they have a BGP. Now those kind of like BGP, RIP, or ERGRP, OSPF, that we call is a dynamic, okay, it's dynamic routing protocol.
Okay.
So in here, this is the first for you to learn about routing. So we have the easy way that we always use is just static. Static is always easy, okay?
Yes.
Now in here, go ahead, config T. Now the command for the static, you have to put IP
IP.
space. You have to put route, ROUTE. No, no.
Oh, R O
U
U T E.
space. Okay, so that is, remember, that is the command for static route. So IP route. Okay, now what is the destination network that you want to go? You want to go to 172.16.10 network, right?
Yeah.
That's 16. No, 172. Just make sure and type correctly. Not 17.
Oh, okay. 172.16.10.1.
Not 1. You can put 1, but sometimes you remember the PC, you have a PC 102, right? Because
Yeah.
you don't want to create like a 2 entry. You
Okay.
know, so the best way is you want to using the dark 0.
That's it.
Yeah, and then space 255 255 255 0. So that is mean, you see, you take the whole network,
Okay.
the 10 network. So it's covered from 1 to 254, right?
Yeah.
If you want, if you go back, if you 10.1, I show you. If go back,
Okay.
10.1,
Uh,
backspace, no, backspace, go
sorry.
back. Dot 1, space. Then in here, remember, what is the subnet mask here if you use dot 1, just only one host?
2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead, type 255, just type it out first, 255.255.255.255. Stop in here first. Now, you see, but then if you only this command, but how about the PC? Then
Okay.
you have to repeat. You have to put the. That is me. You have a 2 entry, right?
Yeah.
But so 2 entry. If you have a 254, you don't want to put like 254 entry on this routing. So that is called not efficiency. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So instead, using the host. Now that's why that is the reason you want to use the network, the whole network. So that's why 10.0. Change it back.
Okay.
Yeah. So just one. So one single entry is cover all 254 under the 10 segment network. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Put space now. Not finished yet. Put space.
Okay.
Put a question mark here. Okay, so now you're looking for, you see, the forward router address is the first one, the A.B.C.D. What that means is that is we call it's the next hub IP. So go back to
Okay.
the network diagram here.
Okay.
You have to ask yourself, so what is your next hub IP to help you?
172.16.10.20. I mean, .2.
So you're on the router 1, right? You cannot jump. You not you not go ahead to jump to directly jump to switch 2, and then you skip the router 2. See, from the network diagram in here, before you go to the switch 2, you have to go router 2 first, right?
Yeah.
So from the router 1, you see just only one line cable. That is the root map. So that's mean from R1 to R2, you have to using the F2/0, right?
Oh.
So what is the F2/0 IP address?
192.168.255.2.
Exactly. So you have to remember. So for when you're using the IP route, the next hop command have to next to you the neighbor. Okay.
Okay.
So go ahead. 192. It's just like the in here. Remember when I teach you, when I show you, when you're in the router, you have to be like in the airport. Okay.
Okay.
You can tell that R2 is like New York. So you want go to the New York network. So now that is the next hop gateway IP. That is mean that your gauge when you go to the airport, that is the gauge go on board to the airplane, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that is remember, understand for this command here.
Yes.
Okay, so hit enter now. Okay, now exit out. Perfect. Okay, now repeat again the command show IP route. Hit enter. Okay, now do you see what is the difference now? You have one more entry now, you see?
Yeah.
Before you see all CCC is the direct connect, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now you see the S. You see at the S is mean when you look at the cable, perfect, this is static. So and then also to give you some information, you see, if you everything to go to the network is a via. You see the via, that is the gateway, the R2 gateway to help you.
Okay.
And then you see the after the 172.16.10.0, they have a bracket, you know, 1/0. Do you know
Yeah.
what that means? That is the admin ID. Static is always 1. Direct connect is a 0. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to make this AD in the routing. The AD, okay, the distant ID is very important. Who's the lower one? The router is always pick the preferred routing.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Later I will show you more when we come up the dynamic routing, so you can see what is the different. What is that mean for that AD? Right now, for you, just have to be remember. Okay, that static is always 1.
Okay.
Yeah, because sometime in the exam it will show you again what is the static. The AD is the number that is 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you repeat now from router 1. Can you ping 172.16.10.1?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well, now how about the PC now?
Okay.
Not go to PC first. We see from because we one by one. Now we try to ping the switch 2 because the switch 2 we have a VLAN 2 and VLAN 20. Now we ping the VLAN 10 IP address on switch 2. That should be, what is the IP? 172.10.2, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, ping.
Yes.
How about 100?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, uh, move. Go back to the router 1, the network diagram. Move it to the right again. It's blocking me.
Sorry. Sorry. All right.
Okay, yeah, over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just for example, on the router 1 in here, right? How about now I want to create a loopback. So
The
because
loop back?
because we're not ready yet for F1/0, F1/0. Now I want to make a good practice for you in here. Just go ahead, config T. We make a loopback. It's a virtual interface. We can call it as a management interface also. Config T.
Okay.
type interface, and then put the LOOT, and then put the question mark.
LOOT.
No, P for Peter.
Oh, P.
Yeah, just put question mark. No,
Base question mark or regular question mark?
no, just put question mark. See,
Okay.
look back. Okay, remember. So that is the interface loopback, and then put a space, put a question mark again. See, the loopback is allow you, that is the range for the loopback interface. Okay.
Okay.
And here, just for example, you make an interface loopback 0. Yeah, hit enter.
Okay.
Now you put IP address. Space.
Wait, give me a second. Yeah.
Okay, so now
Space.
this loopback 0 IP address, so it's just like we can say it's the router ID. Okay, so this is for the router ID. So how about we make it like a 11 dark 11 dark 11, yeah, dark 11. Okay, so this is the loopback 11. Okay, put the space, because there's only one host IP, so we put the 255 255 255 255, put the /32. Yeah, hit enter, hit enter. Now exit out. Now exit out again. Now show IP interface brief.
So
show IP first. Show IP interface brief. BRIEF.
right.
Hit enter. Yeah, see, you have the loopback interface, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I want to ping the PC1 using the source, using the loopback. That is mean I use the loopback 0 IP interface to ping the PC, okay?
Okay.
So now put the ping first, 172.16, .10.100. So that is the PC IP address, right?
Okay.
Put the space. Now put the source here, source, SOURCE, and then put the question mark. See, source,
Okay.
space, put question mark. Now you can either put the loopback 0, because that is the loopback ID 0, or you can just put the source address. So the source address you want to use 111.11.11. Yeah, either way. So now you hit enter. See, so that is mean now you are on router 1. I want to ping the PC2, the PC1 IP address using my loopback interface, but now it gives you timeout. Do you know why? Right? Do you know?
We didn't hook up the loopback to the auto wall.
No. So because the loopback is already up, you can see on the top table. You see when you show interface IP brief, the loopback is up, right?
Yes.
Right. So now, because you have no question already, because when you ping the 172.16.10.100, go ahead, repeat again, ping 172.16.10.100. Don't hit enter first, space. Same thing, type source address. Okay. And no address, just source. And then the address now, you want to using the F2/0, 192.168.
170. Say again.
192. See that? So on the table on the top, F2/0.
Yeah, 192.
168. 255.
2.
No, that one.
That one. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is mean right now. See, you're on router 1. This command is
Oh.
telling you, I want to ping the VLAN 10, the PC 100, right? I want to use using the my F2/0 interface as my source. See if I cannot ping. Go ahead, ping. You see, why this interface using this source interface is working, but using the loopback is not working. Okay, because in here now, could be the router 1 issue or could be the router 2 issue, right?
Yeah.
But now hop into the router 2.
Okay.
Because same thing, the router 2, now you have to tell yourself again, okay, from router 2, can I ping the router 1 loopback? Go ahead, ping.
11.11.11.11.
Yep.
No.
Oh, you see, no. Okay, so that might be the issue because it could be that you have a return traffic. Okay, so when you ping from router 1, maybe the traffic is leaving the router 1, but then it's no return traffic, right? Because remember, when you use the ping reply, it's always you need to waiting for the reply, right? The reply that is mean is like a round trip. So send hello and have to be reply from the device, right?
Yeah.
So now your mind start thinking, okay, I'm on the router 2 right now. I even cannot ping 1.1.1.1.1. So if you go back to the router 1 and then if you sit on the router 1, then you will quick. Then you have to be quick from just pop up from your mind, from your brain, say, okay, that might be maybe router 2 doesn't know my rootback interface IP address, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you go back to router 2 again. So then maybe now you make a phone call now from router 1 because you're the router 1 technician, network technician, right? You call router 2, you knock on the router 2, say, hey, do you know my 11 my loopback interface network?
No.
So how you want to prove from the router 2 that I know router 1 the loopback interface network or IP address? So same thing, the command in here, you have to type show IP route, right? You have to check on your routing table, remember?
So I
P,
P.
yeah, route. Hit enter.
No.
That's the reason, right?
Yeah.
Because when if you speaking for router 2, you talk to yourself, yeah, of course. I don't know 11. That maybe that is like explain the problem because router 2 doesn't know how to get back to router 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to be allocate this router 2 also in the order on router 2 the routing table. Say, hey, you need to put this information, right? So now same thing, the method in here from this lab, we're using a static route, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you know what you do on the router 2. Perfect.
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 Uh,
IP route.
IP.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
what network you want to put in here?
11.11.11.11.
Yep. And then what is the subnet mask?
255.255.255.255.
Beautiful. And then what is the next hop IP?
192.168.255.2.1.
Yeah, double check a typo issue.
No, 0.0.
No. I say typo issue. Check again because you're missing the 9.
Okay.
Yep. You know why it's 1? Because the F2/0, the IP address is 1, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you hit enter. Okay. Now exit out. Now show IP route again. Now the global routing table. Yeah. Now router 2, I have that R1 rootback network or IP information, right?
Yes.
Now this time, can you ping now from router 2?
The ping
11. Yep. Because router 1 is waiting for your answer now. Okay, so now you call back to router 1. Okay, I find the issue because like no one requests for me to add that your network on my routing table, right?
Yes.
Now I have configured. I have added. Now go back to router 1. Can you try it again? Okay, now ping, change this. Yep, using the source 11. Yep, correct. Beautiful.
Yes.
See?
Okay.
So now you have to remember now. See, when you're between router to neighbor router, you have to make sure that 2 router. You have to investigate, make sure the routing table, what network you're missing. Okay?
Okay.
Because if you missing, that's why you need to tell the router, to educate the router how to get to the network. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Because that is only a little bit not convenient using the static route, because you have to hop in each router. You have to like keep entry that your routing table,
Yes.
for each unknown network. Okay.
Okay.
Until when you learn dynamic routing, and then from router 1 and router 2, they have automatically they will change the routing table. Instead, you keep typing. Okay.
Okay.
So I will show you in the next demo.
Okay.
Yeah. So save the configuration. Just write memory or just WR.
Oh yeah. Was it Y?
Yeah. Yep. Just hit enter.
And
Yeah. Or you copy running config to startup. Okay.
copy one.
Running to startup, like STA. Yeah, it's correct. Put a tab key, using the tab key.
Tab.
Yeah. See?
Okay.
Space. Startup. Yeah. I'm not sure they have a dash or not. Just using the tab key. Go back. Start. Yeah, tab key. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So hit enter. That is the same thing. You can use they have two commands to able. Using the right command. Just type right. Okay. So now you save all the configuration.
Only for this one, so I have to do it for every other one.
If you not save it, and then next time it's going to lose the configuration, so you have to repeat again.
Yes.
So just either way, it depends. You want to redo, retype. Okay, sounds good to you for tonight?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. So now be safe. Stay home. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I show you next time then.
Okay.
Bye. Good night.
So is it the call?